Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. Michael Alm here. This week I'm building a router cabinet. I'm so excited about this project. The nice people at Rockler sent me over their ProLift system and their router table. It is an awesome system and I just kitted it out with as much storage space as possible. There are full build plans on this project, so after you're done watching the video, go check those out on my website. But for now, let's get into the build. Okay, I got the sidewalls in and the back is on. One thing that I'm thinking about doing is I think I'm gonna cut these legs. I think I'm gonna cut out notches here and here, just so that I have plenty of space for drawer runners to come in and out. I'll leave a little bit of a half-inch lip on this, and that should keep the angle iron plenty strong. Oh my God, that's so much better. I saved 1.5 inches on this side, 1.5 inches on that side. That's 3 inches all the way across for a really simple notch out with the angle grinder. It doesn't even have to be that clean because drawer faces will sit in front of it. I highly recommend. So that works pretty well. I'm really happy with the look of that. I did make one mistake though. I didn't take into account the 1/2 inch material that's gonna go on top of here. So they're a little bit tall. I think I'm gonna leave this one as a drawer, and then for the other 3, I'm gonna cut them down to just a 1/2 inch shorter. I'm about to install the drawer hardware. One of the things, when I cut the metal, I left it an 1/8 inch proud. By doing that, this won't open. What I need to do is take an 1/8 inch shim, slip it behind there, and then screw through the shim. That way, this will be perfectly flush up against here. All right, all the drawers are installed and working really nicely, so I'm really happy with that. Now it's on to making drawer faces. I'm gonna be doing the drawer faces the same way as I did the under table saw storage cabinet. If you haven't seen this, there's a full build video on this project. I will put a link above. The drawer faces are made with black melamine in the center and surrounded by red oak. So this is black melamine. It's a 1/4 inch thick with an MDF core. I get this from my lumberyard and they stock it. I'm not sure if all lumberyards do, but you can probably special order it. Also, if you don't want to pay for this stuff, you can just use the same technique of painting it and varnishing it. Probably seen me do this before, but nothing sticks to this stuff. So I sanded one side of it and then I'm gonna use carpet tape to stick it down. All right, so this will eventually be the center door panel, and I'm just trying to get a height on it. I have a shim in here that's 3/32 plus the handle height plus the height of the edge banding. I just want to make sure that it fits underneath the head of the carriage bolt. drawers and organizers are done, and I'm really happy with them. They're turning out great. So now all that's left to do is to cut the final hole for the dust port and the power cord, and then hook the whole thing up and put finish on it. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that build because I am just thrilled with this thing. I cannot believe how much storage it has inside. Thank you to Rockler for supplying me with the tools for this. If you guys want to build this for yourself, I have a full set of build plans on my website. Check the link down below, along with all the tools and equipment that I use to put this together. Also, real quick before I go, if you have any projects that you'd like to see me make build plans for, let me know in the comments down below because I'm gonna start doing that more often. And I wanna make sure that you guys get the ones that you want. Other than that, thanks so much. Really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.